welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a recipe for coleslaw. This will be quick, easy, and simple. And to get started, I have my ingredients already prepped. I'll be using some green cabbage as well as purple cabbage. I also have some shredded carrots and some shredded Brussels sprouts. I know you guys probably never seen Brussels sprouts before in coleslaw, but this is why you're here on this channel, for new ideas. I also have some mustard, some mayonnaise, some Miracle Whip. I'll be using honey, apple cider vinegar, some seasoned salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. So as always, we'll begin by making the dressing first. Adding all the condiments, basically all the ingredients except the vegetables. We will mix well and set aside. Now, if you don't know what Miracle Whip is, or you don't have it, you can use all mayonnaise, but just add a little bit more honey, like a tablespoon more of honey, because as you know, Miracle Whip is a bit sweet. It's like a sweet mayonnaise. And I like my coleslaw on the sweeter side. That's why I like to use it in here. But if you can't find it, just use all mayonnaise and add a bit more honey. And if you like your coleslaw on the savory side, just omit the honey and, you know, do it the way that you like. To a large bowl, you want to add all of your cabbage, the carrots, as well as the Brussels sprouts. And just give it a good toss. Make sure that it's well combined and everything, you know, is mixed evenly. If you don't want to use the Brussels sprouts, you can omit that. If you don't want to use purple cabbage, you can leave that out. You could just use the carrots and the green cabbage, you know, the traditional kind of coleslaw. You can make yours that way if you like. I just like the colors in here. It's so pretty. And I was gonna pair this up with some baked fish and mashed potatoes, so I wanted it, you know, a bit more classy. So that's why I added the different colors in here. But yeah, you can just do whatever you like. This is just a guide to show you guys, you know, how I make mine, but you can of course go ahead and make yours the way that you prefer. Once we're done, we're gonna add that dressing, give it a good toss again, and that's it, guys. So simple and easy. Coleslaw is one of the easiest things to make, and it is so delicious and healthy as well. And here you have it, guys, my version of coleslaw. It is perfect for the summer. You know, it's hot outside and we need something nice and cold. This is the perfect side to go with your barbecue or anything you want to pair it up with. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.